Today we are making a delicious banana bread. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Start with a half a cup or 1 stick of unsalted butter, add 3/4 of a cup of sugar, and use a hand mixer to combine. Peel 3 ripened bananas and mash with a fork. To 1½ cups of flour, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and whisk. Add bananas to sugar and butter mixture and mix. Add half of the flour mixture to your batter and mix. Add the remainder of the flour mixture and mix. Mix in 2 room temperature eggs, one at a time. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla and mix. Add half a cup of sour cream and mix. This is also a good time to add nuts, chocolate chips, raisins, cinnamon, or nutmeg. Grease a 9x5 baking pan. I used olive oil cooking spray. Pour your batter into the baking pan and spread evenly. Place the pan into your 350 degree preheated oven. Bake for 60 to 65 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. When bread is done, remove from oven and allow to cool for 10 to 15 minutes. Once cooled, remove bread from pan. The bread will still be hot, so use caution. Allow to cool. After a few minutes, you can slice your bread. This banana bread is so delicious and so moist. We hope you try this recipe. Enjoy!